In this video, we've picked the top 5 bulb planters to make your planting easier and more efficient. Whether you're planting a few bulbs or working on a bigger project, we'll break down what each tool does best. There are different types out there. Some are handheld for small spaces, while others have long handles to save your back. Each one is designed for specific needs, so we'll help you find the right one for your garden. Whether you're dealing with tough soil, planting large quantities, or simply looking for comfort. Let's dive into which bulb planter is the best fit for you. At number 5, the Colwelt Long Handle Bulb Planter is made for people who want to plant a lot of bulbs without killing their knees or back. It's a standing tool, so you don't have to crouch or bend. If you've got a big flower bed or yard to cover and want something that feels more like a professional tool, this one delivers. You step on the first pedal to dig, twist to loosen the soil, and step on the second pedal to pop the plug of dirt out, all from a standing position. That second pedal is a big deal because you're not constantly reaching down to clear the dirt. The serrated base means it cuts through harder or rocky soil better than some basic planters, and it holds up well over time because it's made of powder-coated steel. This is great for someone with back or joint pain, or for folks planting large quantities of bulbs like tulips, irises, or daffodils across a wide area. At number 4, we have the BARAYSTUS Long Handle Bulb Planter, which looks similar at first glance, but it leans more toward comfort and control. It's also a stand-up model, and it has 2 pedals for better balance and smoother digging. Where this one stands, out is the handle. It's T-shaped with a rubber grip that makes it easier to guide, especially if you're someone who likes to feel a bit more in control of the tool. It has a sharp serrated bottom that slices through compacted soil or clay better than most straight-edge planters. You can really tell it's designed with efficiency in mind. This one's perfect if your soil is a little tough or you want a tool that won't fight you the whole way. It's a great choice for folks with raised beds, slightly harder soil, or gardeners who want a bit more precision while still standing up straight. At number 3 is the Edward Tools Bulb Planter, and this one is a handheld option that's perfect for smaller jobs. If you've got a raised garden bed, containers, or just a few flower patches, this tool is super lightweight and gets the job done fast. It's only about 9.5 inches long, so you do need to crouch or kneel to use it. But it's comfortable and easy on the hands. The standout feature here is the automatic soil release. Once you dig the hole, just squeeze the handle a bit and the soil drops right back out. That speeds things up a lot compared to the usual scoop and dump routine. It also has a depth marker on the side, so if you're planting bulbs that require specific depths, like tulips or lilies, you're not left guessing. It's a solid pick for casual gardeners or anyone working in smaller plots who just want something affordable and fuss-free that works every time. At number 2 is the FLORA GUARD Bulb Planter, another handheld tool, but this one has a few upgrades that make it extra practical. First off, it's priced really well, often under $10, but it still gives you features you'd normally expect from more expensive tools. It has a spring-loaded handle, so it's easier to grip and squeeze, and it also releases soil automatically. The bottom edge has a gear-style shape, which helps it bite into the dirt with less effort. That's great if your soil is compacted or a bit rocky. It's made from anti-rust, high-hardness metal, so you're not going to bend it easily even after heavy use. And even though it's a hand tool, it doesn't feel flimsy. This one's best for people on a budget or new gardeners who want something lightweight, compact, and easy to store. It's also perfect if you're working in garden boxes, tight spaces, or need something portable. Finally, at number 1, we have the ProPlugger 5-in-1 Bulb Planter. And if you want the best all-around tool that does way more than just plant bulbs, this is it. It's long-handled, so you can plant standing up, and it also works as a weeder, sod plugger, and even a soil sampler. It's built like a tank, made from welded carbon steel, and it stores the soil inside the tube as you dig, so you can plant multiple holes without stopping to clear it out. That saves a ton of time. The depth rings that come with it let You plant at 2, 4, or 6 deep consistently, which is a big deal for bulbs that need to be planted just right. Whether you're planting flowers, taking out weeds, or even cutting clean holes in your lawn to fix bare spots, this tool handles it. It's especially good for older gardeners or anyone who's done crouching and wants to protect their knees and back. If you want one tool that you can use all year for multiple tasks and not just during bulb season, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching. We hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect bulb planter for your needs. Whether you're planting a small flower bed or tackling a larger garden, there's a tool that will make the job easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews. Let us know which bulb planter you're planning to try, or if you've used one of these before. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Happy gardening!